If you want to check comments on an itch.io game page, this video will walk you through it step by step in a super simple way. Whether you're looking for feedback, trying to see what other players think, or just want to read community discussions before downloading a game, checking the comments section on itch.io only takes a moment once you know where to look. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more quick how-to videos just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your web browser and go to itch.io. You can type it directly into the address bar or search for it in Google if that's easier. Once you're on the site, use the search bar to find the game page you want to check. You can search by the game title, the creator name, or any keyword that helps you find the exact page you're looking for. After you open the game page, take a look around the page for a moment. Itch.io game pages usually have the title, cover image, description, download button, and other details near the top. What you want to do next is scroll down the page. The comment section is usually further below the main game information, so don't worry if you don't see it immediately. As you scroll, keep an eye out for the section labeled Comments. This is the area where players and visitors leave feedback, ask questions, report issues, or talk about the game. On some pages, the comments may appear after the description, tags, devlog area, or community details, so you may need to scroll a little more depending on how the page is organized. Once you find the comments section, click or tap into it if needed, and then read through the messages. You can browse the newest comments, look for helpful replies from the developer, and see whether other users have shared similar thoughts or problems. If the page has a lot of comments, you may need to scroll within that section to see more of them. This is especially useful if you want to check whether a game is working properly, if people are discussing updates, or if the creator has responded to common questions. The comments can give you a good idea of how active the game community is and whether the developer is still engaging with players. If you're on mobile, the process is basically the same. Open itch.io in your browser, search for the game, open the page, and scroll down until you see comments. The layout may look a little different on a phone, but the section is still there on the game page. And that's really all there is to it. To check itch.io comments, just go to itch.io, open the game page, scroll down, find the comments section, and read the comments. It's quick, easy, and a great way to learn more about a game before you spend time downloading or playing it. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more simple software and website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.